Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog.
Tubang na di. This is and I will memorize memory verse. Okay. Genesis na sila.
Genesis 1:1 and beginning God created the heavens and the earth.
Psalms.
Psalm 53 verse 1. The Lord is merciful, patient, not one.
1 John.
1 John 4:8. God's love.
John.
John 35.
11.
11.
35.
35.
Jesus.
Jesus wept.
Ephesians.
Ephesians chapter 4 verse 13.
Verse 5.
Verse 5.
One Lord.
One Lord, one faith, one baptism.
Exodus.
Exodus 20
Verse 8. 8.
8.
The Lord. Remember.
Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy.
Exodus.
Exodus 20
Verse 13.
verse 13.
Thou shalt
Thou shalt not steal. Hindi
Kill.
kang bakaw.
kill the night.
Kill.
Okay. Tapos Exodus.
Exodus 20
Verse 15.
verse 15.
Thou shalt.
Thou shalt not steal. Hindi ka magnakaw.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.